We're playing Fun Monkey Horror 2.
Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Fun Monkey Horror 2. So, this is kind of crazy because I didn't know there's another one. What up?
I know there's fan art and everything. Look, see?
But this is literally our first reactions checking out the game.
Oh,
so I'm really excited. So let's just get into it. Make sure to go subscribe to Yixi and Just GT. And yeah, when I hit 1,000, I'm getting away 1,000 shiny rocks. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. And yeah, let's just get right into the scary stuff. Freak, who's this dude?
Rat. Ew.
What's his name?
Rat Run, coming soon. Marble Slab.
Oh my god.
FNAF 1.
Maze, Slender Tubbies, Crawl Space, Level Basic, DevTown.
Him. Wait, come back.
Sky Island, Backrooms, Blur 9.
Hey.
What?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I was checking out the freaking thing. Cool, I don't care. Let's do something else before that. Let's do Rat Run.
Alright, let's see this other place.
Oh, it's cosmetic section. You are very ugly. You look nothing like us.
Ew.
I have 1,000 crystals.
Is this like the old player model or something?
Hopefully.
Ew,
so,
he's
I
looking
can
at me.
get a ducky. Duck. How do I purchase?
Oh, how do you see how much you have?
Right here.
I don't know. What? I can't see.
Bruh.
The freak?
Oh, where do you see how much you have? I'm kind of stupid.
Right here. 1,000. You should have 1,000 crystals.
Oh, I don't see anything.
You stupid.
I want the duck.
I'll buy ducky.
I'll buy the donut. I got the donut. Nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Hurry up, let's go.
Hold up. It won't me.
Yeah, it doesn't let you select what you want. Come on, let's go.
Sir, I can't get anything.
Alright.
Wrong way. Wrong way. This way.
Alright, Rat Run.
Right.
Let's go. Ah! What's going on?
Oh my god. I'm scared. Get it up here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
no. Oh, what is that? Look behind you.
Is that cheese?
Oh, we gotta make it. Ah, it's so fast.
I took it back.
Oh, this is like Speedy Wall in
Where he's coming back.
Go. Hurry!
The cheese is being placed. Run! Why is it so long? Go!
Why is it so big? Oh my gosh! Yeah, go. Hurry! The cheese is being placed! Ah! Nutrients. Let's go! Gulp. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The rat's massive. Come on. Hey. Help!
Hi! I'm back.
Sky.
Where's
Ready?
Sky Island at?
Oh, what the freak? Oh my god, what is that?
Oh my god.
Ew!
Oh no, what is
Why
that?
is it running like that?
I'm scared!
Should we go? Go! Oh my god! Ah! No, I fell off. I fell.
Oh my god, I'm jumping off.
Why is there 2 of them? There's 2 of them. There's 2.
What?
There's 2. One right there, one right there.
There's 2?
Come on, we gotta go like this way or something.
I don't.
Come on, Gus.
I don't know.
Is there a way to beat this level?
I don't want to run.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want to go anywhere.
Go! He's behind you.
I'm legit scared, bro. I'm scared, Poopy. Where?
Jump! Ah! I was jumping off. I jumped off. I'm sorry. I got scared. Oh my gosh. Yes!
We need to go back. Look at that thing.
Just come back!
It looks like a rat.
Yes! No, because there's one on you.
Come over here.
No, one's on you. But you just can't see it.
Okay.
Just hurry up.
There's one right there, though. It's right there.
I guess I'll come to you. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
It's right there.
Bro, don't come anywhere close to me. There's one on you,
It's
bro.
right there.
Bro,
Oh my god.
scared me, bro. Go! Oh my gosh, go, 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 go! No, I fell! No, yes!
Oh my god.
Yes!
Oh my god.
Ah! Ah! Dude, what the heck are these things? I don't know!
What is it?
Come back here! Come back to spawn! Oh my gosh. Oh. Of course I have to. I can hear him. Where did Brothers go? Oh my gosh.
Yes!
What just happened? What just
Yes!
happened?
Huh? Dude, I got.
Yo,
so I
you want to do
back,
2 every
and it took
2
me
every
to rat
day,
run.
bro? Yeah, this is the part 1. I don't think
this is the
Yixi
first
will be
2
making
guys.
my thumbnail again, but that's just fine.
Yeah. Next time.
Okay, bet.
Next time we'll do Marble Slab.
And then after that, we can
FNAF
do
1.
those.
I want to see if there's any.
Oh, that's for trusted users.
See if there's one more.
probably.
4.
But yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed this
Is this
video.
trusted
I enjoyed
user?
this game.
Only 4,000 seconds. So it's only 4,000 seconds.
I
Should
mean-
we wait it out?
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna wait this out. Nah, man, he died. Never mind, we're
For
not
me,
gonna
it's
wait this out.
4,000 seconds.
But
I
I
had
hope
to
you
die.
guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you go like and subscribe to this dude. That's his YouTube channel name. And Nixie, he's trying to get to 10,000 by the end of the month. And I'm trying to get to 1,000. So, not the end of the month, the end of the year. And so am I. So, not 10,000, but 1,000. And so, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And, yeah. See you later.